Hey guys, I'm just at our 10 style build here. So we've finished our air tightness around our ceilings. We're got our plaster all stacked in here, and our external walls are going to, the air tightness layer is going to be our plasterboard. So yeah, I've had a lot of stuff going on site. All our trades have been smashing it. We've got all the organs of the home with the HRV are all in. All the rough-ins are complete. So this is really moving along. Just wanted to give you a quick little insight into being in a high performance home. Be quiet in a second, but the weather outside is disgusting. Really windy, it's cold, it's been raining on and off, and it's really peaceful and calm in here. So I'll just be quiet for a sec, and then I'm going to open up this big sliding door. So we're not quite finished with our air tightness. It's a bit hard to pick up in the camera, but it's really windy. See the trees going a bit nuts. You step back inside, shut this door. Another bonus of high performance homes.